Yo, what's up people? We're gonna do a little 30-day experiment right here. So here's how it's gonna work. Basically, I'm going to eat whatever I want for 30 days. Pizza, junk food, chocolate milk, like literally the worst foods that you can think of. I'm gonna eat them anytime I want, all the time. So what's the catch? I'm gonna fast for a few days at a time. So basically it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna fast for 2 or 3 days, and then I'm gonna refeed on junk food. And we're gonna see if this junk food refeed crappy snake diet is still gonna yield the type of results that you can expect from fasting and refeeding on healthy food. Now, I know that Cole did something similar with his McDonald's experiment. However, I watched that video and he's really just eating healthy food at McDonald's. He's getting all beef patties, he's eating peanut butter, he's eating salads. So yes, it is from McDonald's, but McDonald's actually has some healthy food, and from what I saw, that's what he was eating. I'm gonna do things a little bit differently. I'm gonna eat unhealthy food. I'm gonna eat pizza. I'm gonna eat cookies. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna drink coffee. I got this really strong Thai coffee. They put all kinds of this has chocolate in it also. I was like, give me some chocolate, fuck it, I don't care. Delicious. So we're gonna see if you can fast and eat junk food at the same time, how that's going to affect my athletic performance. And I've decided on a name for it also. We're gonna call it the stray dog diet. Because stray dogs eat out of the garbage. They eat whatever they want, they smell it, it smells good, they're gonna eat it, they don't give a shit. They probably don't go a few days without eating, so maybe we'll work on the name, but for now I like the stray dog diet. Now, in this video, I'm gonna eat all day. I'm gonna eat as much as I can, and obviously I still wanna get my protein in, but other than that, I'm gonna eat the worst food that you can possibly imagine. So if you wanna see all the horrible, delicious, disgusting, wonderful foods that I'm gonna be eating throughout the day, make sure you watch the video. See you soon. Yo, so it is 7:30 p.m. First day of the stray dog diet. I haven't really been hungry all day, so I haven't eaten anything, but I'm about to stuff myself on some ridiculously unhealthy food right now. First up, I think we're gonna go to one of my favorite kebab places, which is just 1 or 2 minute walk down here. This is what I'm gonna eat. All right, there we go. This is my first course. I literally ate that shit in 2 minutes. Not satisfying at all. All right, so after that very unsatisfying kebab, I think I'm just gonna stop by this night market that's right by my hostel, because they always have a lot of food here. A lot of it is pretty healthy, as you can see, but they do have some fried noodles and pad thai, which I'm probably gonna eat right now. And then I'm gonna start eating dessert. I feel like dessert's gonna be 50% of what I eat today. So we're getting these noodles. Yeah. Some fried chicken right here. It's gonna be delicious. Yo. Again, I ate that shit in 2 minutes flat. Hello.
Yeah.
Can I have one? Thank you. One thing that I've noticed is that eating like this is not very satisfying. I ate that kebab, I ate those noodles, and I'm not really that full. I feel like I'm I thought it was gonna be much more exciting to eat unhealthy food like this, but it's really not. I feel like I still haven't started eating yet. Oh, it's kind of weird. All right, finally I found something that's unhealthy enough for me to feel good about eating. Pepperoni. You know what? I'm gonna wash it down with some of this delicious Thai Fanta. Yummy, yummy. Ugh, gross. How do people eat like this, honestly, on a regular basis? I don't know how they do it. It's a lot of work to be fucking 500 pounds. I already feel like shit. I figured to tilt people, I'll have some soy milk. I figure pizza and soy milk, you probably can't have, oh, it's commercial. You probably can't have a more unhealthy meal than that, on top of all the other stuff I've already eaten.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Here you go.
Okay.
So I've eaten a shitload of food already. I'm not really getting that full. I don't feel that bad. I feel kind of euphoric, to be honest with you. It's a little weird. Definitely eating way worse than I have been eating lately. And it's kind of strange because I'm eating way more. I've eaten that kebab, I've eaten this pizza. Normally what I'll do is I'll just go get a giant fruit shake and I'll make a bunch of oatmeal and eggs and I'll be stuffed and I won't be able to eat another bite. But now that I'm eating all of this unhealthy food, it's weird. I'm just not getting full and I just keep eating and eating and eating. All right, so this is for sure gotta be one of the stupidest ideas I've ever had. I felt absolutely awful. I don't know how people get fat. Like, how do you do it? Like, this takes work. This is like effortful for me to eat like this. Ugh. Ugh. I'm gonna get some ice cream. Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Can I have Oreo
Yeah?
with Nutella?
Okay, Oreo Nutella.
Oreo Nutella, thank you. After this, I think I'm done. My little binge experiment is over. Thank God. But I am gonna enjoy this ice cream, I will say that. I mean, I'll enjoy it. I probably want to enjoy afterwards what happens. Good, buddy? I'm trying to be healthy. I'm joking, I'm joking.
You can put everything, okay?
Okay, sweet.
Thank you.
See you.
Support here. Welcome.
Alright guys, well that's definitely going to be it for my little binge of today. I'm going to fast for 96 hours after this. But right now, I'm going to go eat the rest of my ice cream. And then I'm going to go to bed, watch some Dota, and sleep for like 12 hours because my insulin is probably through the roof. Also, make sure if you enjoyed this video, click that like button. If you have any questions or comments about anything that I've talked about in this video, leave them in a comment down below. And if you want to get updated on my crazy stray dog diet, make sure you click that little subscribe button and say what's up to this guy. That's my homie right there. Yeah, click subscribe. Peace. Alright, just kidding. I'm gonna get one more thing before I go pass out and watch some Dota. There's this stuff called Milo, which is pretty damn good. It's like this like chocolate milk with something, rice something. I'm not really sure. It's this stuff right here. It has like whatever that beige thing is right there. I don't know. But I drink it. It's good. Maybe I'll get two. Fuck it.